What is up, guys? Engineer33 here. Today I'm going to review. It's basically a wireless speaker. I'm going to show you the name in a second. It's not IQ Sound, but it's very similar to this one. And it may be from the same company, but it says a different name right here. But I'll show you right now. It does have USB import. It has FM radio. It does accept SD cards, and it has that also. The 3.5 millimeter auxiliary port. So this is how it looks. Just basically like the same thing in there. So here, this is where you connect the volume. I already tried it out. It works really good. Take Wi-Fi. This has glows, and you can connect Bluetooth, auxiliary, FM radio. And these are speakers for the bass. The bass is super loud. It's Ibastek. This I thing, Ibastek, but it's not an I. Yeah, it's an Ibastek. It reminds me of beefsteak, like, you know, the meat, but actually it's not. But yeah, these are the controls to control forward, backwards. There's a USB port, auxiliary. You can plug in straight to, if you don't know how to connect Bluetooth, you can just put in auxiliary. And it actually comes with a strap for the top. I'll connect it right now so you can see. So here's the strap. And you just connect here to here, like so. And the same thing, but on this side. I'm gonna need both hands. So yeah, that's cool. It's gonna look like this. Carried around, it's got the huge bass. I tried it already. Like I said, it's super loud. And
the Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
See that? That's just saying that it's ready to pair. That's not even fully capacity. But yeah, you guys should definitely cop this. Like, subscribe, and share. Check out links in the description. Peace.